Hello everyone, so let's talk about the multicasting in EIGRP. Multicasting in EIGRP. The question is that what is the meaning of multicasting? Multicasting or multicast. So before multicast, I think you already heard about the broadcast. So what is the meaning of broadcast? The broadcast means send the packet to every single neighbor in a network. So if I talk about the broadcast message generated from R1, that will be forwarded to every single router in the network and also will be accepted, and response will also be forwarded from everyone if they are connected properly. So this is called broadcast, that is means forward and receive the reply from every single neighbor, whether they're forwarding or not, but sending the message to every single neighbor in the network, and they will also accept that. Okay, but what is the meaning of multicast? Multicast. The multicast means send the data to neighbor, specific neighbors. Okay, if I talk about the EIGRP multicast. So the multicasting in EIGRP done with the help of an IP address 224.0.0.10. Now what is the meaning of this EIGRP multicast? How does it used? What is this IP address? So we are going to cover up everything in this video. Well, roughly the multicasting in EIGRP is that if the router 1 is running with the EIGRP process, then a hello message will be generated and forwarded to every single router in the network. But the routers that is running with the EIGRP process will only accept the message, other is going to reject that. So here we can see that the message will be forwarded to everyone with a destination IP address of 224.0.0.10, and we can see that none of the router having this IP address. Okay, but still the router that is running with the EIGRP process are going to accept this packet. Like R2 is going to accept the packet because EIGRP is running over here. R4 is going to accept. If the EIGRP running over here, R7 is going to accept because EIGRP is running over here. So this is what called multicast. That means received by a specific range of router, a limited range of router with the help of a specific IP address. So the multicast IP address of the EIGRP, I told you, that is 224.0.0.10. Well, we have other multicast IP address also, OSPF, that is 224.0.0.5 and 6. So these two multicast address belong to OSPF. They have specific use for the same in the network. Okay. Now, so what we are going to do, we are going to do the configuration of EIGRP. Thereafter, we will observe that what kind of messages it will forward and how it will receive the packets. Okay. Let's go to router number one and do the configuration. So router EIGRP one. Okay. Let's advertise the network 192.168.10.0, 192.168.11.0, 12.0, 13.0, 14.0, and 15.0. So I have advertised the network of all the connected routers like this one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and sixth. All the six networks. Now what to do? We were going to advertise. Now let's do the configuration of EIGRP on the neighbor. But before that, we are going to observe the packet on Wireshark. So let's go to this. Let's click over this cable in between R1 and R2 and click over start capture. So here we can see that the Wireshark is working. And so on Wireshark we can see that R1 is forwarding a hello packet on R2 having a destination IP of 224.0.0.10. So the source is 192.168.10.1. The destination is 224.0.0.10. But here we can see there is no response from R2. We can see a message is continuously forwarded in between R1 and R2, that is hello message having a IP address destination 224.0.0.10, right? But still R2 is rejecting that because we didn't have initiated the EIGRP process. So once we will do the configuration of EIGRP, so it is going to accept the message and also it is going to forward the response in the same way like R1 is forwarding. So hello message will also be forwarded from R2. Now let's go to R2 and advertise the network. Okay. So router EIGRP1 network 192.168.10.0. So we have just advertised the network on R2. So here we can see that a reply will be forwarded from the neighbor router also. Here we can see lots of update messages. Then this is called incremental updates. That is means limited update will be forwarded. And then the hello message will be multicasting from both R1 and R2. Now R1 and R2 both are sending the multicast messages. So here they have created the neighborship. These hello messages, previous hello messages were used to create neighborship, to initiate the neighborship of EIGRP. But now here we can see this is used to forward the updates. Basically these messages were used to forward the updates, hello, acknowledgement and update. Now after neighborship the hello messages will be forwarded to maintain neighborship neighborship in between R1 and R2. Okay, now let's talk about the other router in between R1 and R3. What messages will be forwarded? If I will not initiate the EIGRP on R3, R3 is not going to accept the message. So we have seen that R2 has accepted the message, but R3 is not going to accept the message because R3 is not running with the EIGRP process. So here we can see that only one side messages will be available over here. Hello message from one side will be there. Only 192.168.11.1 is continuously forwarding the message, but the neighbor is not replying because EIGRP process is not running there. So without defining the destination IP, the neighbor is going to accept the packet by the help of multicast, and that message is hello message having a destination 224.0.0.10. So this is how the neighbor discovery is done with the help of multicasting. If we do the same on R4, R4 will also going to create the neighborship and they will also exchanges the multicast message of hello message with the destination IP 224.0.0.10. So final conclusion is that the multicast means the exchange of messages in between the specific routers. Like in broadcast, it forwards to all. Broadcast means one to all. A single message, single router is going to forward the message to all. But what is the meaning of multicast? Multicast means one to many. So multicast means some routers is going to accept the message, some is going to reject that in the same network. The same packet will be forwarded to everyone, but some will accept, some is going to reject, and some is going to respond for the same message. Okay. So dear all, that is about the EIGRP multicast. Have a nice day.